We are still hanging around Esperance and its incredible ocean views. We were super excited when we spotted a whale out there in the ocean. Finally, we saw a whale! Okay, it was quite far away, but still, if you look closely, you can see its fin poking out of the water. And a bit further down, you'll see its head a little bit. It's not super clear, but that's the best we could do.
So the landscape has changed, or dramatically I'd call it. Yesterday we were in Esperance, which had crystal clear water, turquoise, white sand, and today we're in red dirt and nothing else. It's a little bit of a change, yes. So we're now heading east across the desert towards Nullarbor Plains. And hopefully the other side we'll see some nice greenery again.
It's not just the landscape that's changed, it's also the weather. For a couple of days we're having a proper summer weather with like, I think 27 degrees today. I had to scramble to the bottom of my clothes basket to find like, you know, tiny little top because it's actually warm and we haven't been used to the sun and the warmth for quite some time now. I think probably since Exmouth, even Exmouth was getting cold, so probably Broome. So yeah, it's been a while, but it feels nice. The spot we stayed at last night was just very bushland, and we'd forgotten how lovely it is to have flies coming at you constantly. Yeah, deserts and flies sucks, but anyway, it's going to be like that for the next few days with not too much to look at, but we'll keep you posted anyway. We are now on the Royal Flying Doctor's landing airstrip. Very long stretch of road that the planes can land on in an emergency situation. Hopefully not right now. And we just started on Australia's longest straight road, which is 146 kilometers of just nothing but a straight road. How exciting! Yay, everybody! Yay! The long straight road has ended. Prepare yourself for the smallest turn in history. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
This is it!
Wait for it.
Oh, wait for it! Wait for it! Yeah, that felt good. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Nullarbor Plain, or at least a section of it, because it goes on for miles and miles. And as you can see, this whole bunch of nothing for hours and hours. Yes, we have a fun part of the trip at the moment. Stopping for a bit of a refuel at the lovely price of $2.47 a litre. Ouch! And this is definitely the best road sign in the whole of Australia. Okay, when you find a kangaroo holding a jar of Vegemite, you have to go and check it out, right? There he is! Yo, Skippy! Where do we go, guys? Berlin, Paris is 17,000 Ks. Adelaide, we're on the way. Perth we've been. Rome, maybe one day. Sydney, definitely. Cape Town, already been. Hobart and Moscow, who knows? And we're just finally leaving WA, crossing to South Australia. Here we are at the border. Woohoo! South Australia. Here we go.